Hello guys, welcome to Tina's video part. Today I'd like to show you the acrylic system. My status is owner of a back shop. I will show our acrylic system application in back store. First, we need to put the acrylic layer on the back. Then let's have this. If you don't remove the architect from the back, when you come across the system, it will sound like black. The capture range of our square tag can reach to 1.7 to 1.9 meters. For this model, design is the open 3 slots on both sides. So are you interested in this model in back store security? Feel free to contact with me. See you next time.